Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. 2025 is shaping up to be a huge year for AI tools. With so many incredible AI-powered solutions emerging, they've helped us solve problems and even create some truly stunning designs. However, most core AI features come with a price tag. If you want to unlock everything, the cost can add up quickly. So, is there a platform that's both feature-rich and cost-effective? The answer is yes. Meet Abacus AI, a supercharged AI platform that integrates almost every AI function you could need. Whether it's large language models, image and video generation, code assistance, or even PPT creation, Abacus AI has it all! Instead of subscribing to multiple separate tools, Abacus AI gives you the most comprehensive AI ecosystem at the lowest cost. For example, ChatGPT plus Flux 1.1 Pro plus Kling will cost more than $60 per month. But Abacus AI only costs $10 to use all of them. Whether you are an individual creator, student, or enterprise, this is the most cost-effective tool, at least for now. Today, we're bringing you the most in-depth review and tutorial on Abacus AI so you can master it all in one go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. First, let's do a quick intro to Abacus AI. It's an innovative AI platform designed to seamlessly integrate cutting-edge AI technologies into various applications. The platform offers two main products: Chat LLM Teams, ideal for individuals and small teams, featuring 40-plus large language models, including OpenAI O1, DeepSeek R1, Gemini 2 Pro, and more. You can even switch between different models freely. Abacus Enterprise, designed for enterprise users, supporting advanced AI tasks and data integration. Today's review will focus on Chat LLM Teams, and you can find the Abacus AI link in the description. Feel free to check it out with us. Competitor comparison and cost analysis. When compared to Krea.ai and Perplexity AI, Abacus AI offers superior value for money. While Krea.ai integrates language models, image, and video generation, it only includes one language model. You can't switch between models or perform real-time web searches. In contrast, Abacus AI supports multiple LLMs, provides more image and video models, and even offers video analysis, text processing, and coding assistance, making it far more versatile. Perplexity AI focuses on AI-powered search and knowledge Q&A, but Abacus AI goes beyond that, offering multi-model chat, document processing, PPT generation, and other productivity tools. Krea.ai Pro, $35 per month. Perplexity AI Pro, $20 per month. Abacus AI Teams, only $10 per user, first month free, with more features at a lower cost. Multi-model switching. Once you're on the Abacus AI website, click Chat LLM Teams in the lower left corner to access all AI features. At the top, under the Root LLM drop-down menu, you can freely switch between LLMs like GPT-4o, Claude Sonnet 3.7, DeepSeek R1, and even open-source models. No more juggling multiple websites. It's all in one place. For developers and AI researchers, this is a game changer. Logical reasoning? Use O1 or DeepSeek R1. YouTube video structure analysis? Gemini 2 Pro is your go-to. Code development? Claude Sonnet 3.7 works best. Think of it like hiring 30 experts in different fields. Need a rigorous engineer for coding? A creative writer for content? Just switch models. No more 10-plus browser tabs. This is seamless multitasking at its finest. On the Abacus AI homepage, you'll find the image generation tool. Choose from top-tier models like Flux 1.1 Pro, Ideogram 2a, Imagen 3, DALLE, and Recraft. Just type a prompt like a flying puppy with wings, and the AI will generate a high-quality image in seconds. Not happy with the result? Switch models and refine it until you get the perfect style. For designers, this is a dream come true. Flux 1.1 Pro plus DALLE plus Ideogram 2a would normally cost $60 a month, but here, you get them all in one with batch generation and style locking. Click more in the lower right corner and find VideoGen to access Abacus AI's video creation tools. It integrates models like Hailuo AI, Luma, and Kling AI 1.6. Example, let's generate a flying puppy video with Kling AI 1.6. Just input your description, adjust parameters, length, resolution, etc., and the AI will create an HD, watermark-free video in minutes. Compared to buying Hailuo AI, Luma, and Kling AI separately, Abacus AI lets you switch freely between 7 top-tier video models. A massive win for content creators. Plus, the rendering speed is insane. While some platforms take 30 minutes to render a 10-second video, Abacus AI does it in just 2 minutes. Input a topic like, will AI replace humans in the future? And Abacus AI instantly generates a structured PPT or Word document. For office workers, remember those all-nighters making PPTs for your boss? Now, enter a topic, get a full framework, use Claude to refine the logic. Let GPT-4 add data visualizations. Efficiency tripled. Upload any PDF, and AI will extract key info, summarize content, and even translate it. If the result isn't perfect, use the humanized optimization feature to fine-tune it further. For students and researchers, no more manually breaking PDFs into sections for Chat PDF. Abacus AI analyzes entire documents instantly. Need to convert financial reports into investor briefs? AI restructures it like a pro consultant. Abacus AI also includes a powerful coding assistant offering auto-completion, error detection, and GitHub integration. You can develop and debug code directly within the platform, switching between different LLMs based on your needs. For developers, if you're using GitHub Copilot, $21 per month, Replit AI, $20 per month, you're already spending $41 per month. Abacus AI combines both for a fraction of the price. Perfect for small teams managing multiple projects. Quickly capture screenshots of web pages, apps, or your entire screen. Extract content from non-copyable web pages or analyze page structures effortlessly. A lifesaver for researchers. Before, I needed Snagit, 39, plus OCR tools. Now, Abacus AI handles it all. Even paywalled articles get smart analysis. A true game changer. Abacus AI redefines the AI tools landscape with multifunction integration, cost efficiency, and top-tier expandability. Whether you're an individual creator, developer, or enterprise team, this platform lets you access the most AI features in one place. Thanks for watching. Got questions or experiences to share? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For the latest AI tool updates, see you next time.